right, now.
Hit yours.
Oh, we gotta wait.
I got one more. I got a few here, Joey.
Okay, what you got?
I think it's like Zombie's Revenge.
Alright. Zombie Revenge shells. Zombie Revenge. Zombie Revenge.
Zombie Revenge.
Can't talk.
Zombie Revenge. Woo, those are nice. What's that one?
The next one is Nightwing.
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 Nightwing. Jesus, Nightwings are it, man.
The next one's Kong Killer.
Kong Killer.
Kong.
Killer.
Kong Killer. Nightwings and Kong Killers so far.
The next one's Rambo.
Rambo.
007.
Jesus, that Rambo slap, boy.
And the next one's a KAG.
KAG. I got faith in you, my boy. Let's see what you're working with. Oh, damn.
Bro.
Yeah.
KAGs are the loudest
KAGs are
ones.
the loudest thing I've heard on shells, bro.
And the brightness.
Yeah.
KAGs are it.